Assalamualaikum and hi hi everyone. So this is a new chapter, chapter 6. So chapter 6 is on vectors. Right, so this is all the subtopic that we need to cover in this chapter. Okay. Alright, okay. For the basic concept, so for the vector, okay. So for the vector, so vector is a quantity that has both magnitude and also direction. So magnitude is length, okay, length and direction. So a vector can be represented by a directed line segment where the length represent the magnitude and the direction represent the direction. For example, this one. So from P to Q, so this is the direction. So this is vector. From here, so this one from Q to P, this direction, and from P to Q with the vector A. Okay. So this is just a basic concept of vector, where vector has both magnitude and also direction. Alright, okay, so for the vector component, so let's say we have the vector V. So in 2D, so we write as AI in direction I is for X direction, and J is for Y direction. So AI plus BJ. Okay, so A and B is scalar, and I and also J is for direction. And for 3D, so we have I, J, K. So if you want to write in this form, so we can write as this bracket, so A, B, C. So we know this is a vector. That's why if you want to show people that this is a vector, so you have to use this notation, not the round bracket. Okay, so if you want to tell people this is a vector, so please use this notation. Okay, so the vector PQ with the initial point x1, y1 and also z1, so q x2, y2, z2. And if we want to direction from P to Q, so we are going to have this equation. So how we get this one? So PQ, okay, so PQ is actually from P origin plus with origin Q. Okay, so now we have to rearrange this one. So it should start with the origin, so OQ minus OP. Okay, so here PO is equal to negative OP. So now Q is x2, y2, z2 minus with PP is x1, y1, z1. So we can get x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, so we get this one, right? And then this is some of the important formula in this chapter. So this all chapter will not be given in the list of formulas, so you have to memorize. Okay, first, if we want to find what is the magnitude for V, so what you are going to do, so let's say V is V1, V2 and also V3, and we want to find what is the magnitude for V. So V1 squared, V1 squared, V2 squared, V3 squared, and then you surd or you square root. Okay, so this is how you want to find the magnitude. And for the unit vector, so this is the notation for the unit vector. V head, we call this one as V head. So V head is equal to the vector of V and then divide by the magnitude of V. So in this form. And then if we want to add or minus two vectors, so just involve the same direction. Okay, we plus or minus with the same direction. Okay, so V1 with W1, V2 with W2, V3 and also for and W3. Okay, so this is some of the important formula that you have to remember lah. Alright, for example 6.1. So example 6.1, given that A, we have A, 3, 1, negative 2, and B, find A plus 3B. Okay, A. So the vector of A plus the vector 3B, so A is 3, 1, negative 2, and we plus with scalar. B is negative 1, 6, and 4. So equal to 3, 1, negative 2, and then this scalar we can just you can just multiply. So negative 3, 18, and 12. So 3 the same with the same direction, so 3 plus negative 3, so we get 0. 1 plus 18, so get 19. Negative 2 plus 12, so we get 10. So this is the answer. Okay, and then for B, so we want to find what is the magnitude for B. So this is notation for the magnitude. Okay, so this is the notation for the magnitude, and we want to find what is the magnitude of B. So B equal to negative 1 squared plus 6 squared plus 4 squared, and then you need to set. So the answer will be 36 plus 16, and then plus 1, so we get 53 set. So this, let me check, 36 plus 16 plus 1, yes, 53 set. So for this case, if you want to find the magnitude, if you just give your answer in this form without the decimal places, also accepted. Okay, for the magnitude, if you want to give your answer in this magnitude, it is also accepted. Okay, and then for C, what is a unit vector in the direction of B? So unit vector B head is equal to vector B divided by the magnitude of B. So B is negative 1, 6, and 4. So negative 1 over 53I plus 6 over 53J, and then plus 4 divided by 53 third K. So this is the answer. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, 6.2. Given the vector u and v, find a unit vector in the direction of 2u plus v. So first, what you need to do, you need to find what is 2u plus v. So 2u, u is 3, 1, negative 5, and then plus v. V is 4, negative 2, and 7. So your answer will be 6 plus 4, 10. And then 2 plus negative 2, 0. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. So this is the answer. Okay, it's not settled yet. We're not complete yet. The question asks for the unit vector. So you have to find what is the magnitude for 2u plus v. So equal to 10 squared plus negative 3 squared. And then don't forget to set. So here 100 plus 9, so 109 set. D4 2u plus v head. Okay, unit vector, so our answer will be 10 over 109i minus 3 over 109k. So this is the answer. Okay, right, so simple. And then for 6, another example. So given 2 points, we have point P and Q. Find a unit vector u in the direction of PQ. Okay, first what we need to find is the vector in the direction of PQ. Okay, so PQ is equal to PO. POO is origin, so origin Q. Okay, so it should start with the origin, so OQ minus OP. Okay, this is similar what I explained just now. Okay, so Q is 320 minus P is 101. So the answer is 2, negative 1. Okay, and now we need to find what is a unit vector. So first, we need to find the magnitude in the direction of PQ. So 2 squared plus 2 squared plus negative 1 squared, and then don't forget to third, so 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 equal to 9, 9 third is equal to 34 PQ. Okay, or maybe you can write as, because PQ is equal to U, so okay, U okay, therefore U head is equal to U over magnitude of U, so U is equal to 2 over 3I plus 2 over 3J minus 1 over 3K. So this is the answer.